This is Jennifer. We're back again with McCray Sons Home Services. We're over in Brea, California at our customer and my parents, and we're doing an update for our job. So this is what we've been up to the last 3 days. We tore this shed down to the studs. We are planning to rebuild the door, redo the siding, redo the trim work. Once we got in there, we found a lot of termite damage, which the customer had been aware of, but it was more stuff that we had to address as we went in and replace the 2x4s underneath here. We also finished this line here. We made a couple changes. When we spoke, we were going to be adding a drip line, and in speaking with the customer, my parents, we decided that really my mom should have a spigot on the other side of the yard. So we made some changes, redid the valve system here for the sprinklers. We added a new sprinkler so she can later add a drip line. While we're over here, this is just an added on bonus that we got. I don't know, you guys saw that leaky condensation line, so it's just dripping on our head. So we've rerouted that as well. But let's take a walk over here and check out what we did in the garden beds. We ended up trenching down here, backfilled, and came over here. We've got our spigot, and then we went ahead and added a drip line. We wired it off, added a drip line with a timer so that the garden bed's going to be functioning, added some rock. The main jobs that we completed here was the shed rebuild. We did the irrigation line, adding the new spigot and adding the drip lines. And then we updated the ceiling fan. We added recessed lighting to the sewing room. There's odds and ends, fixing a leaky toilet, handling a broken outlet, and caulking the kitchen and bathtubs to give a fresh appearance. Thanks so much for your time. If you guys are needing work, we're here in the Sacramento area, 916-258-1290. We'll hang a TV, we'll hang shelves, we'll do a shed rebuild. We're a licensed local contractor, CSLB, as well as C36 plumbing.